Hi folks, Tim with Narhi Auctions. This is 08 Freightliner in our auction here. Caterpillar diesel, automatic trans. It's got pretty good rubber on it right here. They've no longer needing the truck in the fleet. They've got a couple other ones that'll be on the auction as well. We did give it a boost. They said it sat for a few weeks, so gave it a boost to get it started. And I'll get more pictures of this truck so you can see it. Have a quick walk around. Good clean truck. These trucks have had a good home and been well maintained.